Kamiti ya atari na athũrimi a mathabu kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ magomanĩte mũcemanio-inĩ wa kwarĩrĩria na gwetha kĩhonia kĩa mathĩna marĩa mamagũmagĩra wĩra-inĩ wao. Umwe wa mathĩna macio nĩ kũingĩha gwa ciĩko cia ungumania na ũhahami wa indo cia mũingĩ, makiuga rĩu nĩ harĩ bata kũgatha icoka ciao nĩguo kũng'ethanĩra na arĩa mekuruhanĩtie na ciĩko cia ungumania na arĩa maretongia o kĩũmbe na njĩra ya wara makĩhũthĩra indo cia mũingĩ, kuona ciĩko ici iratigia gatithio mathabu-inĩ.
We've taken certain measures, both locally and also at the global level, to enable you to be an effective internal auditor and to also have an effective internal audit function.
A lot more could be done as a country to give them their right place in our organizations, to hear them more, to take their advice more. Because if there's anything ailing this country today, it's governance issues. Actually, if we can get our governance right, a lot of our problems will just dissipate.
Hamwe atongoria arĩa mekinyĩtie kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩ Minister wa ũtungata wa mũingĩ Moses Kuria hamwe na mũtongoria wa arĩa aingĩ bunge-inĩ Kimani Ichung'wa.
It is therefore my firm belief that in order to mainstream good governance in our country, we not only need the collaborative support of various stakeholders such as professionals like yourselves and legislators, but also we need to create synergies that empower each other to ensure that we entrench good governance.
Because the government is totally vested on this issue. Because you are the people in charge of internal controls. Not just in, for example, ministries, like my ministry, but 348 state corporations who depend on the internal auditor to protect the shareholder value of the shareholders government of Kenya. We have said that if possible, and I'm going to consult with my brother, the CS for National Treasury, to have that bill owned by the executive, so that by the time it gets to Parliament, the leader of majority party then will have an easier time to pass that bill.
Kĩgomano gĩkĩ gĩa thikũ ithano kĩratabanio kaunti-inĩ ya Mombasa. Wa Jerometa Al Hakim, Inoro TV.